In this video, I will detail how to use screen capture technology and top tips for success. There is much screen capture software available. I will show you how to use screencast-o-matic as it is a QUT supported technology. Before we begin, you will need three things. Firstly, a laptop or computer with a microphone and webcam. Secondly, access to the internet and QUT's digital workplace. Lastly, a quiet space to record is essential. The microphone will pick up any background noise you might have. This could be fans or aircons. You can book one of QUT's ISO booths through timetabling. But if you are pressed for time, the laundry or bathroom are good places as well. Here are some tips for what works best when preparing for your screen capture resource. Firstly, have a clear idea about the type of resource you wish to capture and explain to your students. Secondly, some people may feel more comfortable talking to the screen, while others might prefer a script. Personally, I prefer a clear script or storyboard with specific instructions. I've included a few examples here. I find this helps me to plan my resources and also give clear directions when recording. My third tip is plan to have lots of time. It's best to do a few practice runs before recording, but allow for a block of time to record. My first two videos were an experiment, and they took me close to 3 hours to get right. My final tip is to have a few large books around while recording. For example, if you're planning on using the webcam and your webcam is attached to a laptop, it can be quite restricted in its close position. You might want to consider adjusting the webcam's height by putting large books under the laptop and moving the screen away from you for a nice medium shot. Now that you have the tools that you need and some top tips for success, let's go and find where screencast-o-matic is. To begin, log in to your digital workplace. In the Launchpad, click on Teaching with Technology, the icon on the far right. At the top of the Teaching with Technology page, there will be a bar with 3 areas of technologies. Click on Useful Technologies in the middle. At the top of the page, there will be a Tech Explorer search bar. Here, type in screencast-o-matic. Screencast-o-matic icon will then appear in the search box underneath. This will take you to a page that will have a short blurb about the technology, a link to the application, and additional support and training videos towards the bottom of the page. Click Go to the application, and then Screencast-o-matic will open in a separate page. Click Start Recording. You have 2 options here. You can either install the full app onto your computer, or you can use the downloadable launcher, which is located here. That's the one that I'm currently using. Now that you know how to access Screencast-o-matic, it's time to start screen capturing. In the next video, I will show you the different options you can choose to capture and their potential uses in your own instructables.